Don't buy these Air Jordan 1s yet. You will regret it right now. Resale on this pair of Air Jordan 1s right now is at around $200, $220. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, don't buy this sneaker and hold them yet. You will regret it because in my opinion, you have time on this investment. It will take some time for these to go up in price. I believe it's inevitable. It will happen. It's just a matter of when. And I do not want you guys to have too much money tied up at once for no reason when they're not going to go up yet when you have time on this pair of Air Jordan 1s. Make sure you guys please take a second to smash that like button. Hitting that thumbs up really does help the channel grow. Thank you guys for hitting that thumbs up. Let's get this video up to 400 likes. That would be amazing. Also, make sure you guys subscribe. Smash that subscribe button and join the More family. Sneakerheads, check this out. This is my Sole Premise bag that I use every day. And Sole Premise bags are designed to store your sneakers when you're traveling. Check that out. They also have room for my laptop, clothes, and a bunch of other space. Sole Premise has this daily bag. They make a bigger backpack that holds 5 to 6 pairs of sneakers. They also make luggage bags, duffel bags, all different types of bags. So when you're traveling, you can bring your sneakers with you. They're safe and secure in the bag, not going anywhere. And you have plenty of room for other things as well. Every Sole Premise bag is 40% off using my code DannyMoore at checkout. So be sure to click that link down below in the description. Check out Sole Premise's website. Add a bag that you're gonna love to your cart. Trust me, you're gonna fall in love with their bags. Tons of colors, styles. They're amazing, great quality, and they come very fast. So make sure you guys check out Sole Premise. Click that link, add a bag to your cart, and use my code DannyMoore. My name, Danny Moore, will give you 40% off your entire order. That code is for unlimited use, so make sure you guys use it at checkout. Get 40% off the best bags, the best sneaker bags in the game. Sole Premise, the best way to travel. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring this video. Got them from the Nike Sneakers app again. I've been on a roll, so let's open these up. Before we take a look at today's Jordan 1, I want to show you guys another pair of sneakers from the Nike Sneakers app that I have been on a roll on. It's been crazy. We have another Nike box, the orange box. Let's take a look at these. I have not seen these in person. This is a grade school only release. Let's take a look at these Nike Dunks. Woo! You guys are going to be very, very familiar with this colorway, with this color blocking. The Air Jordan, wow, the Air Jordan. The Nike Dunk Low in Racer Blue, grade school sizings. Yeah, guys, these are basically the Kentucky Dunks. They're basically the Kentucky Dunk in a grade school size. I hit on the Nike Sneakers app. Resale was at around $180, $200, and they're now going for like $150, $160. So yeah, there definitely was a little price drop, but it's a clean Nike Dunk Low. Ooh, grade school only release. I understand why they did it, because we do have the Kentuckys in men's sizing that are going for like $500. Very, very clean. Nike Sneakers app with another Nike W. I'm gonna give you guys a little tip in this video. I have been turning Wi-Fi off and restarting my apps, closing out all the apps, restarting my phone right before the drop. Been hitting a little bit more. So yeah, try that out. If you guys have any Nike Sneakers app tips, make sure you guys drop a comment down below. If you guys want to see a full Nike Sneakers app how to cop video, make sure you guys drop a comment, let me know. These are fire in hand, I must say, but I'm just not a fan of the Nike Dunk quality. It's just so bad. But yeah, very, very clean Nike Dunk Low. These are fire, straight fire. So if you like this pair of Air Jordan 1s that I'm about to show you and you want to wear them, enjoy them, make sure you guys cop them before you can't anymore. And be sure to put on Drip Grip sole protectors on the bottom of these Jordan 1s and any sneaker to preserve the bottom, keep the bottom in great condition, so when you peel the sole protector off, after you wear the sneaker will look brand new on the bottom, keeping them in great condition. You'll be able to resell them for more and just keep the bottom really, really fresh, looking brand new. Make sure you guys click that link down below in the description. Check out dripgrip.com and use my code Danny10. That'll give you 10% off your entire order. If you're someone that buys sneakers, likes to buy them in bulk and hold them, well, I'm gonna tell you guys not to do that yet with this pair of Air Jordan 1s, because I think you have time on them. It is inevitable. They will go up in price based on history, based on other colorways of this exact sneaker in this exact color blocking. I think it will take time on these because of the color that it is. Let me show you guys these Air Jordan 1s. Make sure you guys smash that like button for me. Once again, please hit that thumbs up. And let's take a look at these Air Jordan 1s that I'm telling you guys, you can wait. Don't buy them yet, but buy them before it's too late. You have time on these. The Yellow Toe, Taxi, Air Jordan 1. You have time to invest. I think it is inevitable. Price will go up. We'll see a nice price increase, but it will take time. You have time. You have time on these. Don't rush to buy them because I don't want to see you guys have your money tied up in a bunch of these and not money for other things when these are not going to go up yet. You have time. I definitely see them going up maybe in 2023, definitely by 2024, but maybe in 2023 going up a little bit. I definitely see them going up one day, touching to $300, $350, but I see them having a smaller increase first, probably like $260, $270, but I think it'll take time. I think it'll take time on the Taxi, Yellow Toe, Air Jordan 1. So in my opinion, guys, buy them if you want them for the personal. Hey, it's a great shoe. It's very wearable. At the end of the day, the color blocking is great. Take a look at Pine Green Jordan 1s, Bread Toe Jordan 1s, Court Purple Jordan 1s. They all have this color blocking. They all went up in price, have skyrocketed in price, but they all took time to go up. Shadow backboards especially. They all took time to go up in price. The other ones are not yellow. This is yellow. Yellow is out there a little bit. It's not for everybody. So I think it will take a little bit of time for these to really go up. Yes, it will happen one day. Guys, I'm telling you, in my opinion, there's no rush to buy them right now in bulk, sit on them. I think you have time for that. I get asked all the time, Danny, what are you doing when it comes to these sneakers? So what I'm going to be doing, first of all, this right here is my personal pair. I didn't wear them yet, but I will be wearing these. So I'm definitely putting these straight to feet. I am probably going to invest, but later on. And it's going to be in men's sizes, but the bigger sizes. That's what I'm going to go for, like 10.5 and up. But I'm going to wait. I'm going to give it, I don't know, at least like 6 to 8 months before I do anything. I'm giving it time. I'm definitely go ahead and give it time on these. I do see them creeping up. I just see it taking time. Time, and I can use that money in other places right now, build up capital a little bit more, and then go ahead and invest in some pairs. That's what I'm going to be doing. That's what I recommend you guys do. Hey, this video is just my opinion. I want to make that very clear. This is my thoughts, what I think is going to happen to the market on these shoes. I could be right. I could be wrong. I'm not always 100%. Nobody is. I'm not a sneaker guru. I can't tell the future. I just give you guys my thoughts, my opinions. So that's what I personally am doing. I do see them going up, but it'll take time. Quality's nice, very nice, and everything is there for this shoe to go up. The color blocking with the black, the white, you have the color on the toe, matching the back, matching the outsole. It's just everything's there for them to go up in price. They do have Nike Air on the tongue. Everything is there in order for them to go up. It's just a matter of when they're gonna go up. The Taxi Air Jordan 1 will inevitably, in my opinion, go up in price. It's just a matter of when. And in my opinion, I'm telling you guys, don't buy them yet. Don't be in a rush. I think you'll regret it right now because I don't want to see you guys have your money tied up in one shoe when there's no need for that right now. So wait, in my opinion, wait to invest on the Taxi Air Jordan 1. Inevitably going to go up in price, but just a matter of when they're gonna go up in price. The Taxi Jordan 1 is fire, straight fire. Make sure you guys smash that like button for me, hit that subscribe button, join the More family. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Click on screen, go watch another video right here. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. Click right here, watch another video. We out.